Congratulations! You've completed the first course in the program. You worked incredibly hard, and it shows. You should be very proud of yourself. Back when you started this program, you might have been nervous or excited, or both. And you might have wondered what UX even meant. Now look at you. You now know what a UX designer does and what drives us to make products better for users. Let's review your accomplishments. In this course, you discovered user experience and why it's important for users and businesses, and learned what makes a design good for the user. Identified different disciplines within UX and what sort of tasks you might do as a UX designer. Learn the common tools, frameworks, and platforms used in UX design. Identify the steps of a design sprint and how you, as an entry-level UX designer, can take part in that process. You've covered a lot. You have a solid foundation in user experience that you can add to throughout the rest of this program. We'll build on your knowledge in the next course, where we'll get started with user research, understanding design problems, and brainstorming early solutions. Emily, who you met briefly in the introduction to the program, will be your guide for the next course. Emily is a fantastic instructor and really knowledgeable about the field of UX, so get ready to learn a lot. Now it's time for me to sign off. It's been such a pleasure taking you through this course. I can't wait to experience your designs in action one day. Good luck as you continue the program.